A common question I get is, how does Kemeticism help me in my daily life? Kemeticism at its foundation teaches about the power of the mind in creating our reality. Most people believe that life is happening to them. Religion taught us that God is in control and outside of us. But through Kemeticism, you will have an empowering shift of consciousness based on its philosophy of how the universe was created. Philosophically speaking, Kemetic science teaches the universe is created from the mind of God. As a spark or extension of the Creator, you have the same mind and ability on this level of existence. When you constantly affirm the struggle is real, and the struggle becomes your identity, you are creating your own battles. Life will reflect your mindset. It requires a change in mindset. Anyone truly practicing Kemeticism must have a grasp and use metaphysical science. The use of tools and processes is part of the practice. It will definitely have an impact on your daily life. It's not like religion that confines you and binds you with mindless rituals, fear, and superstition. True Kemetic science elevates and frees you.